Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Let's jump into the video.
What did you get, Georgia?
Okay, I'll send you.
What? Woo! Ah! Happy Valentine's. Give us a smile.
There's money on. Try not to actually. Did you try it? Yeah.
Whoa! What have you got there, love? Wowee! You lucky girl. You're gonna break some hearts, aren't you?
What, no serious?
They came to Bristol.
Never trace if out of that.
Is that your armpit? Oh.
If I tried.
Aaron loves probably.
How do I zoom out? Oh, like. Let in.
Record it me pouring it.
Why?
Because it's cool.
How are you feeling today, hon?
Alright. Look at the state of me.
Oh, do you want to see how much of a legend I am? Cheers.
Whoa! Slow down.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling it now. Oh yeah.
And then I realised.
Racing is nowhere near it.
No, I realised the race is finishing at 4. I won't be that drunk.
Last
6.
time you were sick on your own shoe and had to get your mum to pick you up.
What happened to the 10 AM bison tricep?
Oh,
Look, we've already been, haven't we?
yeah, we've made.
Yeah. Wait, we're on March now. Oh, who broke the calendar?
And why do I want to watch a rehearsal when I've got the live event? I can watch the live event the next day. I don't want to ruin the school ending.
I think it's water.
What?
We're talking about Megan's carpet.
Oh.
But there's a big wet patch and she's convinced she wet herself.
I got a dimple, that means I'm going to be rich. Hey everyone, are you excited for Bingo Longo? Yours. Look at all our friends! Yay!
Oh, that's close, that is. It's really close.
Idle Hall number 4. Maze Den number 10. You alright, girls? Bingo! It's bingo! Sing off on stage. All you have to do is get the crowd singing, okay? Contestant number 1. Contestant number 2. It's bingo! for the full house. It's a false call. After 3 points to the stage and say you silly bitch. 1, 2, 3.
Can this be our wedding song?
No.
Please. Hello. So it's Easter weekend, it's Good Friday at the moment. And I have quite a few things I'm going to do this weekend, so I thought it'd be fun to vlog. Literally in the week, I'm only doing my dissertation, so I'm so boring during the week. So I'm excited to have this weekend. I'm going out tonight, and then tomorrow we're going to Tobacco Docks. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to bring you along with me. So, oh, first I wanted to mention, I've been talking about getting like a new fake tan for ages and ages and ages because my St. Moritz, like, it's okay, but it makes me really dry and makes me kind of like break out and stuff. So I got the Bondi Sands like duo from Pretty Little Thing, and I got like 30% off, so that was a really good deal. So it comes with a fake tan in dark and a tan eraser in tan eraser. Like, I took the lid off earlier and it smells so nice. It smells like proper coconutty. Yum. And at the moment my dark circles are so bad because I'm pale. And that's what happens when I'm pale. So what can you do? So yeah, I'm about to fake tan and then I'll come back on here and show you how it looks afterwards. So I literally can't find my fake tan mitt anywhere. I think I must have left it in Bristol, but I thought I remembered packing it, which is annoying. Hi Dad! Are you in Tesco still? No. Oh, Sainsbury's. Fake tan mitt, so like the mitt I used to put it on.
Alright, okay.
Thanks.
I'll do my best. Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
I'm literally so behind schedule. I was meant to get up at 9 to fake tan, so it could be on for ages and develop. And now it's 12:30. So I'm only going to be able to leave it on for like 3 hours. This is the best bit of an Easter egg and no one can even talk to me about it. The little round bit. I got a tan mitt, yay! Hello. I just finished fake tanning. Feels so much better already. So I washed my tan off and got ready, and I'm so impressed with this tan. Like, when I was putting it on, it went on really nicely. Like, it wasn't streaky at all. It dried like it dried really well, but it was still a bit sticky, which is the one bad thing about it. But yeah, it developed really quickly. I only literally had it on for about probably 2.5 hours, and I washed it off and it's still like relatively dark, and I'm just really impressed. Obviously I haven't got my legs out or anything at the moment, but yeah, it was really good. It didn't feel as drying as the St. Moritz, but I have to see how that goes, because normally on my arm here I get like dry patches, but there doesn't seem to be any at the moment, which is good. So yes, but I'll see how it wears, because it might all start like crisping off or whatever. So I'll let you know, hun. So I'm just going to the pub now to see one of my friends, and I'll try and vlog as much as I can. Look, this is my best friend! My best friend! We haven't seen each other in so long for extenuating circumstances. But we're best friends again, and we're going to see each other once a month at least.
At least.
Love you. So it's Saturday morning, and I recently woke up about 10 minutes ago, and I have a face full of makeup, which I never, ever go to sleep with my makeup on. I don't know what's wrong with me. Luke has left because he's so disappointed in me. No, I'm joking. But like, he said that I'm a mess, so that's fine. You do you, hun. I'm still kind of drunk. And I've got to go out. Oh, my tongue. That is not okay. Last night I went to bed with a bodysuit on and I didn't even bother to take this bodysuit off. I just unclipped it and put some bottoms on, which aren't even gym jams. I better get up and get ready to it's Tobacco Docks. Hey child, things will get easier. I don't even think that's the right words. Anyway, I need to go. I'm sorry, bye. Do you know what I've realised as well? My tan was on for literally like 2.5 hours and it looks so good. Like, look how dark it is. It looks so brown. So, I mean, that's good.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. That's alright.
Who's that? Is that a girl? Is that a girl?
You saying you're ready?
Is that another girl you're talking to?
Yeah. She's an old lady.
Oh, is she okay?
So you like proper ready now?
Yeah, like literally.
Okay. Still, do you reckon we'll be able to pick up Frankie on the way?
Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna carry on getting ready then if you're gonna pick me up.
Yeah, okay, yeah, we'll be there in like 10 minutes.
Love you, bye. Just finished getting ready, right on time. This is what I'm wearing. Race car cool. With me boots. It's all from Misguided, hun. No, it's not. It's all from Pretty Little Thing.
Somebody hit the lights so we can rock it day and night.
Somebody hit the lights.
Crazy.
Hello? I'm just trying to find my brush. Okay, I'm going out now. Lights going off. See ya. Hello. Luke's so funny. He went. Luke's so funny. He went to the toilet and he came back and he said he saw this girl and her eyeshadow looked really familiar, and so he asked her what she was wearing, like what she used, and she said to steal a magnificent metal thing, and he was like, oh my god, my girlfriend's wearing the same thing, and she was like, bring your girlfriend over here. Yeah, and then we couldn't find her, but life goes on. Good choice though. See ya. See you tomorrow. My teeth look well white. Oh, bye.